Good morning, all of you. Let's continue with our chapter 3, the northern and the coastal plains. In the previous chapter, you have learned about the life in the region of the northern plain. You have learned about the states in the northern plains and the union territory that comes under the northern plains. Today, we are going to learn about the coastal plains of India. In this map, you can clearly see the coastal plains. These coastal plains stretches from Gujarat to West Bengal. This is Gujarat, children. You know that one very well. And this is West Bengal. So the coastal plain of India extend from Gujarat to West Bengal. Okay. So this is the extension of the coastal plain. The western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plain meet at Kanyakumari. This is a coastal plain. The coastal plain of India is divided into two. Western coastal plain that is located in the west and eastern coastal plain that is located in the east. And both this coastal plain, that is the western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plain, meet at Kanyakumari. I hope you understood, children. Now, with the help of this flow diagram, I will explain you about the coastal plains. The coastal plain is divided into two, the western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plain. The western coastal plain is again divided into three, the Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. These are the three divisions of the western coastal plain. Then comes the eastern coastal plain, which is divided into two, the northern Sirkas and the Coromandel coast. So the western coastal plain is divided into three and the eastern coastal plain is divided into two. Now let's learn about the western coastal plain in detail. The western coastal plain lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Here you can see the Western Ghat and this is the Arabian Sea. So the western coastal plain lies between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. Ghat means the mountainous area. All of you know that the southern part of India is plateau. So the space between that plateau area and the Arabian Sea is called as the western coastal plain. Then it stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. Here you can clearly see that it's starting from Gujarat and it extends till Kerala. So the western coastal plain starts from Gujarat to Kerala. It is divided into three parts. The Gujarat coast towards the north. You can see the Gujarat coast. This is the Gujarat coast. It is in the north, which include the Gulf of Kutch and the Gulf of Kambat. Okay, so this is the Gujarat coast. Then in the middle comes the Konkan coast. The Konkan coast is in the middle. Okay, and then comes the Malabar coast towards the south. So this is clearly seen, children. The western coastal plain is divided into three. That is the Gujarat coast in the north, the Konkan coast in the middle, and the Malabar coast in the south. And lagoon or backwaters are found among the Malabar coast. That means in the Malabar coast only we can see the lagoon or the backwaters. Here is the image of a lagoon which is seen in Kerala. I hope all of you understood about the western coastal plain. Now let's move on to the eastern coastal plain. The same way, the eastern coastal plain also lies between the Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal. You already know that the eastern part of India is surrounded by the water body Bay of Bengal, isn't it? Bay of Bengal. Yes. So this is Bay of Bengal and this is the eastern coastal plain. So the eastern coastal plain lies between Bay of Bengal and here comes the Eastern Ghat. So the eastern coastal plain lies between the Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal. It stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Here is West Bengal. So the extension of eastern coastal plain is from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. I hope all of you understood this much. Yes. And in the picture itself, you can clearly see that the eastern coastal plain is wider compared to the western coastal plain. And the eastern coastal plain is divided into two parts. The northern part is called as the northern circus, and the southern part is called as the Coromandel coast. So this is a two division of the eastern coastal plain, the northern part being called as the northern circus and the southern part is called as the Coromandel coast. So in this chapter, you have learned about the states that come under the coastal plains, and you have also understood about the division of the western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plain. I hope, children, you understood about the division of the coastal plains, the states coming under these coastal plains. I want all of you to read the chapter very well and see you in the next class with a next topic. Thank you and take care.